Welcome to the Viking Repair Parts video. My name is Sean Kramer and I will be walking you through the repair parts step by step for the Viking Model F deluge valve. Prior to working on the Model F deluge valves, refer to the appropriate data sheets for placing the system out of service. Here are the tools that will be needed to install the repair parts. We will be covering the replacement of the clapper assembly in the Model F deluge valve. To replace the clapper assembly, we will first need to open the union on top of the priming chamber and move the associated trim in order to access the cover. Next, remove the cover screws from the cover of the valve. Now, remove the cover from the valve. The clapper assembly is not bolted or screwed down into the valve and is assembled as a single part. To remove the clapper assembly, you will need to gently place a flathead screwdriver in between the body and the upper diaphragm. This will allow you to remove the clapper assembly. The clapper assembly can now be placed back into the valve. Replace the cover of the valve. Hand thread in the cover screws, then tighten them down. This concludes the repair parts video for the replacement of the upper diaphragm in the Viking Model F deluge valve. If you need additional information or have additional questions, please visit our website at vikinggroupinc.com or call our toll-free number at 877-384-5464.